um, how Dad designed me. Hey, if, I don't know. I'm not selling short my faith. That well, God said you were Jesus, and you're trying to say you're not Jesus. Whatever. Whatever. How He designed me, my mind, the paradigms and precepts in my mind. Jesus had a vocation of salvation. His vocation was bringing salvation to mankind. My vocation is politics. Well, how is he designing my mind? Well, but politics paradigms. Am I going to the toilet and thinking of a new sacrament for everybody? Well, the elitist, there's a new holy sacrament. It's special for you. This is my. Well, it, God, Dad designed me like that little weird guy. My precious. A wedding ring. My precious. Bride paradigms. My stapler. That's my nickname for her. Where's my stapler? My stapler. I'd be much happier with my stapler. But they want to steal my stapler. They want to abuse my stapler. Pisses me off.